Hey, everyone! Introducing the generic USB-C to USB adapter, designed for seamless connectivity with your wireless CarPlay adapter. Let's explore its features that make this adapter a must-have for every car owner. Easy to use. Our USB CarPlay wireless adapter adopts plug-and-play design, no need to install cumbersome drivers or software. Just plug the USB CarPlay wireless adapter into your vehicle's USB interface and pair it with your phone. Easy to carry. Our USB CarPlay adapter not only has excellent functions, but also has a lightweight and compact design, making it very easy to carry. You can easily slip this compact adapter into your backpack, purse, pocket, briefcase, desk drawer, or anywhere you want. Best durability. Our USB CarPlay adapter is carefully crafted from high-quality materials and designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. This adapter is designed for durability to ensure reliable performance and long-lasting connectivity. High-quality design. Our USB CarPlay wireless adapter features a unique, stylish gray finish design that adds sophisticated style to your car interior. At the same time, it comes with high quality and durability to ensure you get excellent performance and reliable connectivity. Universal compatibility. One adapter fits all. The generic USB-C to USB adapter is universally compatible with a wide range of wireless CarPlay adapters and USB-C devices and USB-C devices, ensuring you stay connected no matter the setup. Enhance your connectivity with the generic USB-C to USB adapter. Click the link in the description to order yours now. Enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity and a clutter-free dashboard. Give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching.